Today I'm going to make a proper Checking In with Chelsea studio by attaching this brick wall to that wall. This fake wall has been used for a lot of sets in our studio. It's 2 pieces of drywall, so it's 8 feet wide. The brick panels are 4 feet wide, so I'm only gonna need 2 of them. Just imagine, if you will, that this is a wall in your house and you'll be able to use the same steps for your project. First step is to remove the baseboard. Don't wanna skip it. See, set life, you don't have to actually attach it that well. That makes it easier for me. All right, I'm removing a bunch of random stuff off this wall from a party we had, but you want to make sure your wall is clean of any nails and even give it a good wipe down so that the glue will stick. All right, let's see. I'm gonna bring in the first piece and dry fit it, make sure it looks good. Depending on how tall your wall is, you might need to prop it up off the floor to cover the whole wall. All right, I got the panels in place. I need to apply some construction adhesive. Really, you can use any kind of construction adhesive. I'm using the same stuff that I used to install a brick backsplash a couple of years ago, so check that video out. I'm gonna apply the adhesive, tack it onto the wall, and then I'm just gonna put a few quick finish nails in with my finish nailer just to hold it in place while the glue sets up. I love that this has texture to it, and it's actually like a 3D print, if you will, so that makes it so much cooler than just a painted accent wall. And it's made of a fairly lightweight material that you're able to cut with a circular saw or any other wood saw that you already have around your house. Since this is a set, I want to make 2 small wing walls that will go on either side. So I'm gonna quickly build the frames for that out of 2x4s, attach the last 2 brick panels to those guys, and that way we can have a lot more fun camera angles instead of just a straight shot. All right, I'm not just gonna leave my brick wall naked like this. I'm gonna paint it, but I'm not gonna paint it, I'm gonna whitewash it. So I have a cup here where I'm gonna dilute my latex paint with water, about 75% water, 75% paint and 25% water. So I have it marked here. I'll pour the paint, add the water, mix it up real well, then get to brushing. I mixed up way more paint than I needed. I only used like hardly a 1/4 of this container to cover all of these walls, so budget friendly. I should have mentioned this before, but be careful removing your baseboard because you want to reuse it. So I'm just gonna lightly tack this on and this wall will be done. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of this wall. And as far as accent walls go, fake brick wall is a pretty easy way to go. Hope you'll try it out at your house. Thanks so much for checking in.